So when I heard that the Decepticon Target Master jets were coming out, but they weren't going to be Target Masters, I sat down and had a think.
To be honest, I don't give a fuck.
This is Misfire. Will he make me misfire? That was a sex joke. Sex isn't funny unless you cover yourself in custard. Then it's funny. If you're going to go pink, you may as well go Sweet Valley High VHS case pink. Some people have put a Decepticon symbol on this red bit because they say it's too plain. I'm not doing that. He's fine as he is. It's where he keeps his Vulcan Raven figures. Oh, blue knees. I'm going to add shoulders to the list of places where you can put his guns. Guns with seats in them. Why have the guns got seats in them? The guns don't need seats in them any more than Kit Kats need LED runways. Any more than Kit Kats need... Guns don't need seats in them. Any more than Kit Kats need woodpeckers built in. One time, Monster Munch had purple packets and there was a spaghetti sauce flavour that was really good. Well, this is exactly the same because he does all the joints, everything he should, and he even has loads of Nubian in stock. But he doesn't take Republic credits. He's way more solid than Naked Raiden, and he just pulls homages out of nowhere. His face looks like the kid on the swings is taking ages and he's not even next in line for the swings, he's like third. To fit my TV because I can't watch my favourite hentai. Headmaster. Instantly promoted above most of the others for having a painted face, but really, who gives a shit? Still a chance to save Han. East, at the East platform. Hey! It's the primary starfighter of the Intergalactic Prawn Navy, model number C9KTRT-1BJ. Famous for his part in the Clan Planet Victory of the Crustacean Wars circa 1979. I talk some balls. Reminds me of that time I watched Ecchi all day. I'm going to add this to the list of where the guns can go. Oh, hi, Delwig. I like this blue. I pretty much like everything that's blue, unless it's beige. What's even better is that Misfire and Trigger Happy transform completely differently despite being based on the same mould, which means... I don't know what that means. It's like Jeff Goldblum's walk at the start of Independence Day and Jeff Goldblum's walk at the end of Independence Day. I love Misfire. I give him a total of 3 mudkips out of Friday. When he intensifies the forward batteries, nothing gets through.
That's what I call a close encounter.